Guys, during the lockdown in West Bengal, I know many people are having problem with your online classes. Myself is a student of electricals and electronics engineering. So many times the mains power supply gets cut off. This is the 220 volt AC supply and it is quite dangerous to handle this type of power supply. So I would request kids and children below 14 years not to work with this power supply under any circumstances, or if you want to do anything, take the advice of your parents and teachers or elder brothers and sisters. So this is a Wi-Fi router and this is the power supply of this Wi-Fi router. So if for some reason or any cause the main power supply falls, then this thing will not work. Wait, I am showing an example. You can see the main power, the power supply of this Wi-Fi router is glowing. Then this LED will glow, that is the register. Register is a type of memory device like register memory, cache memory. Register is used for storing the last small amount of data that your device was previously connected. You know that once you connect a Wi-Fi with that password, the next time you don't require to enter the same password until and unless the user has modified or changed the password. Now comes this Wi-Fi link or the data link. So all the three indicator LEDs glowing now. So if for some reason experimentally I am turning the switch off, see the Wi-Fi connection is gone and you can no more attend your online class. So to prevent this interruption in your online class, there is a big solution for me. So I am using my old computer UPS inverter as a backup for this. No, I am don't using this type of wall adapter, but I had done some modification with this UPS. So let's open this UPS with some magical spells. Yes friends, you can see my workbench is little bit dirty. Yes, it is always dirty, because if your workbench is not dirty, then you had never performed any experiment with electrical appliances. So now I am casting some spells here. 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, the entire thing is blown apart or torn apart by some magical spells that I am not telling for my privacy reason and your safety. So you can see there is a pair of wire held together by cellophane paper tape or the electrical insulation tape, and this red is the live wire or the 12 volt live power supply, 12 volt around 7 ampere, 7 to 8, and this is the grounding or the neutral wire. So same thing with this blue color wire, this is the live 12 volt wire and this is the neutral or the grounding, this violet color. You can see I had soldered here tight. Then there comes this cord. This conducting wire is sufficient for electricity conduction up to 12 volt 2 ampere or 24 watt, something like that. And if you want to withdraw more current, then I would request you to use a thicker wire, else it is going to melt or get heated up, leading to fire accident. So now I am going to show you how does it works. Suppose when the power supply is restored, then you can charge this battery normally from this cord or the main power supply from here, or your wall power supply, wall adapter, anything like that. But always use 3-pin power supply. Here I am using 2-pin because I had done some modification on my domestic wiring, so it is safety for me to use this wire, but you don't use, because your domestic wiring may differ from my own domestic wiring. So Guys, normally while the battery is not charging or when the power supply is not available, the battery voltage is around 12 volt. So during charging, be extra careful, because I am not going to touch any portion of this circuit, and if accidentally I touch somewhere the light power supply, my hands will burn, even I can die. See, there is a buzzer beeping as normal UPS do, and now I am going to check the power available. See, it is rising gradually, 12 fluctuating, 12 13, 12 13, and after some time it will go to 14 volt, around 14 like that, indicating the battery is fully charged. So the output here in this region is always around 13 to 14 volt DC, and the minimum output voltage I recorded is around 9 volt, and the battery is at that time around 30 to 40% charge, or 60 to, its complement is 60 to 65% discharged. So guys, do you want to see the main applications of this type of modification of your UPS? So first I am switching off this main power supply, then I am powering my Wi-Fi device or Wi-Fi router. So the indicator, all the three indicator LEDs up here. Now I am going to connect this cord on right here on this socket, my own homemade amplifier that I had built 3 to 4 years back. Probably I was at that time class 11 or 10, something like that. So as you can see, this is connected and the Bluetooth is also connected. Open my laptop, type here Bluetooth. What are the device it is detecting? USB optical mouse, audio 3.0 BT. Let's connect it. Connected. Now I am going to switch to my YouTube channel. Oops, sorry, I took a wrong channel. And here I am going to play a NCS song. So guys, even I am going to power my Wi-Fi device using this battery power supply. As you can see guys, the power LED is glowing. So guys, here I am going to test my laptop power Wi-Fi speed, and this is 360-degree laptop with full touch display, but I prefer using mouse because I like it. Let's check my laptop internet connection speed. The ping is 24 ms, typically good for gaming, and I like gaming. I spend most of my time in gaming rather than study. The download speed is 12.61 Mbps, which is little bit low than expected. It was supposed to be 20 Mbps, and the upload speed is around 16.29 Mbps, which is little bit better than the download speed, but not too much satisfactory. It was supposed to be 20 Mbps. And I can even use my laptop as a tab. So guys, you can see this is lying flat on my study table, 180 degree. Suppose this is the 0 degree, then this is the 180 degree free rotation, and then this is the 360 degree laptop. I can even touch and do anything on the tablet mode. I like this device. I can switch to the YouTube. See, there is a on-screen typing device or Gboard. I can switch to their channel and listen to any song. So guys, hope you like my content. So guys, if you find anything useful in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow my Facebook page, West Bengal Electronics, for more videos.